Technological civilization replacement. As technology continues to advance, the products of a high-tech civilization are gradually displacing manual labor. Artificial intelligence systems replace customer service agents, and automated machines take the place of factory workers. The future holds the potential for even hazardous occupations like those of soldiers, police officers, and firefighters to be supplanted by AI machines, posing a threat of job loss and economic downturn for the middle class. While some socialist and communist countries have adopted economic systems resembling capitalism to enhance living standards, the drawbacks of capitalism are becoming glaringly evident on a global scale. The United States, as a vanguard of capitalism, has pushed its limits to extremes. The middle class finds itself in a precarious situation, with diminishing job opportunities and a relentless slide towards poverty. This predicament may culminate in dire outcomes, including homelessness and the emergence of uniquely American criminal activities like $0 shopping. The prospect of capitalism's endgame appears as a potential nightmare for all members of the middle class. The ascent and evolution of the capitalist economic system have ushered in both prosperity and an array of societal challenges. This has prompted a growing public scrutiny of the capitalist economic system, particularly in light of the widespread integration of AI and automation in the foreseeable future.